नमस्कार। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत तव कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमंगलं श्रीमदादतं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ये भूरिदा जनाः। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृतो प्रथम भाग द्वितीय खंडो षष्ठ परिच्छेद. We are still continuing with the sixth chapter, and Sri Ramakrishna has talking to the Brahmo devotees and telling them about his prayers to the Ma, to the Divine Mother, how he had prayed to the Mother, that he had offered all the dualities of this life, the purity, impurity, knowledge, ignorance, sin, merits, everything he had offered to the Holy Mother. Mother, take this back. I don't need them, but give me love. Give me pure love, pure devotion, pure faith, Shuddha Bhakti. The purest of the pure love, you give it to me. And then Sri Ramakrishna had sung that beautiful song that Ram Prasad is telling his mind, I mourn, Bedati Chabi, come mind, let us go for a walk to the wish fulfilling tree of Ma Kali, and let us collect the four fruits of this life, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, from under the tree that Mother is providing for us. Yes, Mother is providing for us the Dharma, the righteousness. Mother is providing us with Artha, the prosperity. Mother is providing us with Kama, even the desires Mother is providing, and things to fulfill these desires also Mother is providing. Didn't Ram Prasad sing in that earlier song that Mother with a wink of her eye telling my mind, go my child, enjoy, and then we will see. That was not my fault. It is all your fault. That was the song that Ram Prasad had sung. So even the Kama portion of the fruit of among those four fruits, even that Mother is providing for us. Let us collect it. And after collecting all these three, Dharma, Artha, Kama, the righteousness, prosperity, desire fulfilling, then let us collect that fruit which is offered by our Mother, the moksha, the liberation, and then let us get out of this fisherman's net, and then let us get liberated. So that is the song that Sri Ramakrishna had sung before these Brahmo devotees, and also in that song Ram Prasad tells us that from between the two wives of Prakriti and Nivrutti, you take Nivrutti with you. Don't take the wife desire to enjoy worldly lives. Leave that wife aside. But take the wife by the name dispassion with you. And then he had indicated that in case you have two goats, you have two goats of dharma adharma, of righteousness unrighteousness. You tie them in a lowly post. Don't give much importance to them. Like Sri Ramakrishna had even offered righteousness and unrighteousness to his mother in the exchange of pure devotion. You take everything. So these two goats you tie on a lowly post. Don't give it importance. But if they start making noise, then just kill them, sacrifice them with the sword of knowledge. Then your parents, the delusion and ignorance, you drive them away. You drive them away. And if the delusions of these worldly things, they keep on dragging you down into the pit, then what you do? You hold on firmly to the post of patience which is tied there above the pit. That is how you save yourself. The post of patience, the knowledge, a sword of knowledge. And if the children from the first wife, the desire for worldliness, if her children, they start troubling you, you drown them in the sea of knowledge. That's it. Get away from all these things. And then Oh my mind, if you can give this account of your life to the Lord of Death, to Yama, to Kal, then I will be very happy, and then I will call you my mind. Oh, you are my darling. So that is the song Sri Ramakrishna had sung before this Brahmo devotees, and then Sri Ramakrishna had even, in fact, boosted their confidence. That don't think being in the world, you won't be able to realize God. He had told earlier also, when that devotee had asked him, without renunciation, can't we realize God? So now Sri Ramakrishna once again is re-emphasizing on that point that সংসারে ঈশ্বর লাভ হবে না কেন? Why you should not realize God living in this world? Be like King Janaka. And now Sri Ramakrishna is talking about the greatness of King Janaka. King Janaka, who lived in the world, who attended to all his duties as a king of all this kingdom, taking a very good care of his subjects, of the people in his kingdom, and at the same time, not a single moment he left his focus from the lotus feet of the Lord. He had beautifully managed how to manage these two things. Roshe Boshe, Thakur had told us, told those Brahmo devotees, you are having a good time. You are enjoying the liquid part of molasses as well as the solid part. Likewise, now he brings an example of King Janaka before the Brahmo devotees. And now Sri Ramakrishna is going to talk about Brahmo Samaj or Jonok Raja. গৃহস্থের উপায় নির্জনে বাস ও বিবেক. Now Sri Ramakrishna once again is going to bring out that topic of nirjone bash, in seclusion. So Sri Ramakrishna continues his teaching to the Brahmos. কিন্তু ফোঁস করে জনক রাজা হওয়া যায় না. জনক রাজা নির্জনে অনেক তপস্যা করেছিল। সংসারে থেকে ও একবার নির্জনে বাস করতে হয়ে সংসারের বাহিরে একলা গিয়ে যদি ভগবানের জন্য 3 দিনও কান্দা যায় সেও ভালো। এমনকি অবসর পেয়ে একদিনও নির্জনে তার চিন্তা যদি করা যায় সেও ভালো। ঠাকুর is very liberal. লোক মা গো ছেলের জন্যে এক ঘটি কাঁদে, ঈশ্বরের জন্য কে কাঁদেছে বলো? কাঁদেছে? নির্জনে থেকে মাঝে মাঝে ভগবানের জন্য সাধন করতে হয়। সংসারের ভিতর কর্মের মধ্যে থেকে প্রথমাবস্থায় মন স্থির করতে অনেক ব্যাঘাত হয়। ফুটপাতের গাছ যখন চারা থাকে, বেড়া না দিলে ছাগল গরুতে খায় ফেলে। প্রথমাবস্থায় বেড়া, গুন্ডি হলে আর বেড়ার দরকার নয়। গুন্ডিতে হাতি বেঁধে দিলে ও কিচ্ছু হয় না। Now, Thakur again and again tells us, get into this habit of getting into seclusion. While giving this example of King Janak, but Thakur also cautions. He says, but one cannot, kintu phos kore Janak Raja hua jay na. One cannot become King Janak just like that in a moment. Come on, I am King Janak. No. Janak Raja নির্জনে অনেক তপস্যা করেছিলেন. Before taking the role of being King Janaka, he spent a lot of time getting into seclusion in performing austerities. And once having known the God, once having understood the element of what is God, Then he came into the world. Then he became King Janak. So first it was a devotee Janak. A Janak who did lot of austerities in seclusion. And then he got into the role of King Janak. Now Thakur says, সংসারে থেকেও you stay in the world, no problem. এক একবার নির্জনে বাস করতে হয়. But once in a while, you should get into solitude. সংসারের বাহিরে একলা গিয়ে যদি ভগবানের জন্য 3 দিনও কান্দা যায় সেও ভালো. Now, you see, Thakur, he gives solutions also how to do it. He says, living in the world, you do all your duties, but maybe just for 3 days, if you can get away from these worldly duties and weep for God, weep for God's vision, weep for the knowledge, that is wonderful. সেও ভালো. But look at the tender heart of Thakur. Thakur knows this is not practical for all the householders to get away from the worldly duties for 3 days and keep on weeping before God. Oh God, give me knowledge. Oh God, give me vision. Some may be able to do it, but not all. So Thakur makes a provision. He gives a concession. What he says, emonki, if not that, অবসর পেয়ে একদিনও নির্জনে তার চিন্তা যদি করা যায় সেও ভালো. How compassionate is Thakur. He says, if you can't get away for 3 days, doesn't matter. Even if you can get away from the worldly duties for 1 day and forget about crying. Don't weep, don't cry. Just think about God for 1 day. Even that is good enough. Can you do it? Can we do it? And then Thakur asked this question. লোক মা গো ছেলের জন্য এক ঘটি কাঁদে. People shed jugful of tears for their family and children. ঈশ্বরের জন্য কে কাঁদছে বলো? He is asking this question to us. Who cries for God? So, that is Sri Ramakrishna's tender heart. He's begging from the devotees. If not 3 days of crying, just go away 1 day, think of God. But then why you should not be able to cry for God, for His knowledge? Why you should not? People shed jugful of tears for the family and children. Who sheds even a single tear for the Lord? That is Thakur's dilemma. He doesn't understand that. নির্জনে থেকে মাঝে মাঝে ভগবানের জন্য সাধন করতে হয়. Thakur compassionately is telling that being in the world, once in a while, মাঝে মাঝে, he doesn't say go permanently leave the things. No. মাঝে মাঝে get into seclusion and perform some austerities for the God. Do japa, do meditation. Just think of the Lord. Think of the mother. Do something for the mother to bestow her grace upon you. সংসারের ভিতর কর্মের মধ্যে থেকে প্রথমাবস্থায় মন স্থির করতে অনেক ব্যাঘাত হয়. Now, Thakur is not unaware of the problems faced by householders. He very much realizes and he accepts that yes, during the initial phase of starting the spiritual life, while doing all the worldly duties, you will find lots of problems in focusing your mind on God, in steadying your mind. So, Thakur is not unaware of it. He very much knows, yes, people have this problem. But Thakur also provides a solution for that. Problem is there. You see, that is the greatness of Sri Ramakrishna. He talks about the problem and also talks about the solution instantly. It is not that only, oh, problem, 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 problem. No, there is a problem. Yes, that in the initial stages of your spiritual life, you will have problems of focusing your mind on the lotus feet of the Lord. Now, what to do for that? Now, Thakur says, ফুটপাথের গাছ যখন চারা থাকে বেড়া না দিলে ছাগল গুরুতে খাইয়ে ফেলে। প্রথমাবস্থায় বেড়া, গুন্ডি হলে আর বেড়ার দরকার নয়। গুন্ডিতে হাতি বেঁধে দিলে ও কিছু হয় না। Again, Thakur is giving that example of the small sapling, the tender sapling of spirituality which has grown in your heart. The sapling is so tender, if you don't put a fence around it, all these cattle and goats, the desires of lust and greed, they will come and eat it up, destroy it. So what is to be done? Put a fence. Put a protective fence around this tender. It is so tender, so small, so cute. It has to grow big, isn't it? Now, you put a fence. Then these cattle, these goats, these animals, they won't be able to harm it. They won't be able to eat it up. They won't be able to destroy it. And therefore, in the initial phases, in the initial stage, there should be protection. But once the tree grows and a strong, big trunk is formed, then you tie an elephant to that trunk, nothing will happen. It won't be even able to uproot that tree. That is the beauty of that fence on that tender sapling of spirituality in your heart. Let it grow big. Then there is no need of fence. Then it will protect itself. Then you tie an elephant to it. Nothing will happen. Kichu hoy na. So that is the beauty of protecting the tree with getting into seclusion and dispassion and discrimination. And Sri Ramakrishna further elaborates this particular topic by giving another example. রোগটি হচ্ছে বিকার, আবার যে ঘরে বিকারের রোগী সেই ঘরে জলের জ্বালা আর আচার তেঁতুল। যদি বিকারের রোগী আরাম করতে চাও, ঘরে থেকে ঠাই নাড়া করতে হবে। সংসারী জীব বিকারের রোগী, বিষয়ে জলের জ্বালা, বিষয় ভোগ তৃষ্ণা, জল তৃষ্ণা। আচার তেঁতুল মনে করলেই মুখে জল সরে, কাছে আনতে হয় না। এরূপ জিনিসও ঘরে রয়েছে যোষিত সঙ্গ, তাই নির্জনে চিকিৎসা দরকার। Now Thakur is giving us an example of, say, for example, a typhoid patient. Now for typhoid patients, these two things are very much harmful. Drinking plenty of water and the spicy things. And Thakur gives an example of which kind of spicy thing? The tamarind pickle. Like that. Tamarind pickle. Tamarind itself is so tempting, and then pickle made out of tamarind. Just imagine what will be the condition of that typhoid patient. So Thakur says, take the disease of typhoid. রোগী হচ্ছে বিকার, আবার যে ঘরে বিকারের রোগী সেই ঘরে জলের জ্বালা। The room in which this typhoid patient is there is a big pot of water. Or achar tintul. And also a jar of tamarind pickle. Hmm. Now what happens? যদি বিকারের রোগী আরাম করতে চাও, ঘোর থেকে ঠাঁই নাড়া করতে হয়। Now if you want this patient to cure, to improve, to recover, you have to remove him from that room where you have stored all the pickle jars and that jug pot full of water. So you have to take him out. সংসারী জীব বিকারের রোগী, the person, worldly person, the we householders, we are this kind of a typhoid patient. বিষয় জলের জলা, the objects, the worldly objects of temptation and attraction are this water pot. Bishaya bhoga trishna, jalo trishna, desire to enjoy these beautiful worldly objects is that thirst for water that typically a typhoid patient gets. So desire to enjoy these objects is the thirst that we are having. আচার তেঁতুল মনে করলেই মুখে জল সরে, কাছে আনতে হয় না। এরূপ জিনিসও ঘরে রয়েছে yoshit সঙ্গ। Just by thinking of tamarind pickle, my mouth starts watering. Mouth starts watering. They should not be placed near the patient. Such things, এরূপ জিনিসও ঘরে রয়েছে yoshit সঙ্গ, the company of women, so on, the lust and greed, they are all like this hunger, yearning for tasting that pickle. So that is the problem. তাই নির্জনে চিকিৎসা দরকার. That's why one should take this typhoid patient to a hospital. Take him away from this room which has the water jar and which has the tamarind pickle stored in it. Take this patient out to hospital, take him to seclusion, and that is when the patient will recover from this high fever of worldliness. Thakur further says, বিবেক বৈরাগ্য লাভ করে সংসার করতে হয়. Like getting into seclusion. You attain vivek and vairagya, the discrimination and dispassion. You attain these two and then you jump into the water. Then you will be like that butter. Then you jump into the water, you won't mix with it, with the dispassion and vivek, discrimination. সংসার সমুদ্রে কাম ক্রোধাদি কুমির আছে. In this ocean of sansar, there are crocodiles of passion and anger and lust and greed. All these crocodiles, they are just waiting to pounce upon you the moment you jump in this water. That is a problem. And again, our Sri Ramakrishna provides a solution for that. How to get rid of these crocodiles of anger, of lust, of greed, of passion. What Thakur says, হলুদ গায়ে মেখে জলে নামলে কুমিরের ভয় থাকে না। বিবেক বৈরাগ্য হলুদ. Sri Ramakrishna says how to protect yourself from these crocodiles of passion and anger and lust and greed. If you apply tamarind and jump into the water, crocodiles don't come near you. That is the trick. So Thakur tells us, apply tamarind and then jump in the water. Then jump in the water of worldliness. And Thakur says, what is this tamarind? What is this turmeric? Holod? Turmeric is vivek vairagya, the discrimination and dispassion. That is the turmeric. You apply it and then you jump into the ocean of worldliness. Sot sot bicharer naam bibek. The thinking about what is real and what is real is called as discrimination. Ishpor shot nitya bostu. God is only reality. God is only eternal thing, everlasting. আর সব অসৎ অনিত্য দুদিনের জন্য. Rest everything is unreal. Anityo, it is ephemeral, temporary. দুদিনের জন্য, they last only for 2 days, not even that. 80 both. This is what one should understand. Ar Ishpore Anurag. One should understand of the impermanence of all other things than God. And one should have Ishvare Anurag, the devotion. What did Sri Ramakrishna ask from his mother? You take all these knowledge and ignorance, you take this purity and impurity, just give me Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotion. So, Ishvare Anurag is the other way of getting rid of this passion and greed. তার উপর টান ভালোবাসা. You should have that kind of attachment, attraction, love for the Lord. গোপীদের কৃষ্ণের উপর যে রূপ টান ছিল, like the attraction gopis had for Lord Krishna. Sri Ramakrishna says, ekta gan shon. Now again, the moment an opportunity comes, Thakur sings these beautiful songs and the Brahmos are just enjoying. What is that song? Ar upay Ishpore Anurag. What is the other remedy for this? Is a divine attraction for the Lord. Gopider mot tan bashneho. Like gopis had that love and attraction for Lord Krishna, one should have that attraction for the Lord. And the song goes like, Bonshi baji le bipine, amar to na gele noe, শ্যাম পথে দাঁড়াই আছে, তোরা যাবি কি না যাবি বল গো, তোদের শ্যাম কোথার কথা, আমার শ্যাম অন্তরের ব্যথা সই, তোদের বাজে বংশী কানের কাছে, বাঁশি আমার বাজে হৃদয়ে মাঝে, শ্যামের বাঁশি বাজে বেরা ওরাই, তোমা বিনা কুঞ্জের শোভা নাই. Thakur is singing this beautiful song which the gopis are singing for Lord Krishna. What they say? Bonshi baji le bipine. The flute plays in the wonderful woods of Vrindavan. Amar to na gele noe. There I must go to that flute, that sound of flute. Sham pothe darai ache. My Sham, my Krishna is waiting for me on the path. Tora jabi ki na jabi bol go. Tell me, my dear friends, will you come with me? I am going. I don't know whether you are going or not, but I am going to my Krishna. তোদের শ্যাম কোথার কথা. To you, my friends, Krishna is a mere name, is just a thing to be talked about. It is an empty name for you, but আমার শ্যাম অন্তরের ব্যথা. For you, Krishna might be just an ordinary name of one person, but for me, my friends, Krishna is the ache in my heart. The moment I say Krishna, my heart aches for being with my Krishna. তোদের বাজে বাঁশি কানের কাছে. For you, His flute might be bringing music to your ear. But for me, আমার বাঁশি আমার বাজে হৃদয়ে মাঝে. But for me, this flute plays music in the heart of my hearts. For you, it is only ear. No, for me, the music is entering my heart. শ্যামের বংশী বাজে বেরাও. শ্যামের বংশী বাজে বেরাও রাই. তোমা বিনা কুঞ্জের শোভা নাই. And what does this flute, this music of Krishna's flute telling me? Krishna's flute is telling me, oh Radha, come, please come. Without you, there is no beauty in these groves of Vrindavan. What a beautiful. That should be the attraction. That should be the love we should have for the lotus feet of the Lord. ঠাকুর অশ্রুপূর্ণ নয়নে এই গান গাইতে গাইতে কেশবাদী ভক্তের বললেন, রাধা কৃষ্ণ মানো আর নই মানো, এই টান টুক নাও. ভগবানের জন্য কিসে এই রূপ ব্যাকুলতা হয়ে চেষ্টা করো. ব্যাকুলতা থাকলেই তাকে লাভ করা যায়. Now, singing this song, Thakur is shedding tears from his eyes. Just recollecting that scene of how Radha is badly yearning to be with Krishna, having heard that music of his flute. For all other gopis, maybe it is just an ordinary music. For all other gopis, Krishna, the name might be just a name, but Radha says, not for me. For me, he is everything to my heart. If I am not with him, it is my heart starts paining. There is a pain in my heart. When he starts playing his flute, it is just not music. He is calling me, come, O Radha. Without you, this grove is so vacant. There is a vacuum in my heart. Krishna is saying. That is what Radha feels when he starts playing his flute and singing this song. Thakur has started shedding tears, and with those tearful eyes, his advice to the Brahmos still continues. He says, now Brahmos, they don't believe in form, God with form. So Thakur, again the compassionate Thakur, understanding their situation, understanding their ideology, he tells them, Radha Krishna mano or nahi mano, whether you believe in Radha Krishna, that is a different matter, because you are Brahmos. You are so-called non-believers in the God with form. Whether you believe in Radha or Krishna, that is immaterial. Eight turn took now. But this attraction that the Radha had for Krishna, that the gopis had for the Krishna, you develop that attraction. ভগবানের জন্য কিসে এই রূপ ব্যাকুলতা হয়ে চেষ্টা করো. Just keep your focus, keep all your efforts on how can I have that kind of attraction for the Lord. ব্যাকুলতা থাকলে তাকে লাভ করা যায়. When you have this yearning, when you have this attitude for the Lord, when you have this tremendous attraction for the Lord, then you can very well attain the Lord. You can know the real truth. You can know the ultimate truth. So with that, we end the 6th chapter, and we will start our 7th chapter in our next reading, where the scenario, the scene of Sri Ramakrishna with the Brahmo devotees and Keshav will be further discussed, and then there will be time for departure even after that. So let us stop our reading over here, And tomorrow, in our next reading, we will start the 7th chapter. Till then, Om Namah Shri Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Jai Thakur, Jai Ma, Jai Swamiji.